Hiya, welcome to another video, another bonus video from Veliko Tarnovo. We thought we'd just get the Mavic out quickly and do a quick little flight just to show you a little bit around this area. So it will only be a quick one, but basically I'm going to start the camera. I don't think you'll see the screen recording of this because I haven't got a screen recorder. At least I don't think I have. But anyway, basically I'm going to send the drone up. Let's see if we get any warnings. It'll just be nice to have a bit of a film of the area, really. I mean, you will be able to see the area. Just want to sort of film around and show you what's going on. Bit of a bonus, have a look around really. So there we go, some nice views there. Going up? Yeah, it should be going up. Actually, it's the first time I haven't had a strong wind warning. Haven't had a strong wind warning yet. That's an amazement. Maybe it's only when you go up at a very specific height. I don't know. But anyway, it's flying around, no problem. Yeah, so you know, once again, you give the Mavic a bit of a chance, and it doesn't let you down. Actually, in the end, you know, it's nice to have a play. So we'll just a look over there. Yeah, I probably should have set up a screen recorder, but I just wanted to do a bit of bonus footage, really, to sort of tack on the end of the video that we do from here. But yeah, just sort of thought. Nice to have a look at these caves. And is it caves? Yeah, I think you've got caves over there. There's something about Bulgaria. They always have this. They have this like lovely ridge of nice sort of like caves and rock, you know, faces. There's very like a lot of rock faces about in Bulgaria. A lot of valleys with rock faces. Something that's quite impressive. I haven't really seen so much back in the UK. I'm sure someone will comment below and say that actually there's loads of places like this, but I haven't seen them. So but yeah, we just thought we'd have a look around. Maybe I should stand back up here a bit nearer the sound because I don't have my external mic on or anything either. But I thought just have a little look around and see basically what's going on here in Veliko. This isn't really the main area of Veliko anyway. The main area of Veliko is over that way behind us, where there's like a sort of old town. I think we'll come back and film here again. But I just wanted to sort of show you around, get a bit of a bonus, you know, get the Mavic Mini out. It's kind of wanted to fly all day and it hasn't had a chance. So we thought we'd give it a go. A few minutes of flying and just see what we get recorded, see if any of it looks nice. I'm sure it will. It's quite bright sunlight kind of coming towards it, so yeah, I'm probably just going to send it home now, but yeah, I just thought we'd do something, you know, and basically, you know, thought we'd just have a little bit of a play and just have one last flight before we go home, you know. So let's just see if it comes back to us okay. It's just out over that, you know, sort of canyon, or I don't know what you call that, like a big sort of valley area out over there, which is quite, but I think it's coming back. Yeah, it's coming back over the top of us now. Looking pretty good. So we don't go over those trees, but I don't think it will. The Mavics are pretty good at like finding those spots and coming back down. The wind just seemed a bit calm, and I just thought, why not? Why not get it out? Why not have a fly? And I tell you what, I don't think we had a strong wind warning. I don't think we had a Wi-Fi warning. I mean, that's got to be a first, doesn't it? I don't know if I'll watch it as it comes down. It usually lands quite nicely on Mavic. But the ground underneath it's not the best. So I'm going to cancel that landing. I'm just going to hero it. I'm going to bring it down. Bring it back. I think we should bank over a bit. Bring it. Oh, hang on. think we should bring it down there. That looks a more safer spot to me. Yeah, there we go. Textbook landing. Basically, yeah, you know, just a bit of bonus footage really. I haven't turned on the external mic, so hopefully the sound's all right and it's not too windy. I don't think it is. So yeah, just thought we'd have a little bit of a last minute flight and little bonus video really. But thanks for watching. You know, tune in again on the next video. Please subscribe, please click the notifications button and like the video because that really helps us out. Thanks very much, you've been great. Thank you. Goodbye.